how to generate landing pages using Framer AI. First, open your web browser and go to framer.com. Then sign into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're inside the Framer editor, look at the right side of the screen and click the Ask Framer chat box. Now, type a prompt describing the landing page you want to create. For example, create a modern landing page for a fitness app with a hero section, features, pricing, customer testimonials, a call to action button, and a contact section. After entering your prompt, press Enter or click the Send button. Framer AI will generate a complete landing page with sections, text, images, and buttons. Once the landing page is ready, click on any element to customize it. You can edit the text, replace images, change colors, adjust fonts, or add new sections to match your brand. If you want to make more changes, simply type another request in the Ask Framer panel, such as change the color scheme to blue and white, or add an FAQ section. Finally, when you're happy with your landing page, click Publish in the top right corner. On the free plan, your landing page will be published using a Framer subdomain. That's it. You've successfully generated a landing page using Framer AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, website building tips, and easy tech guides.